Hi, my name is Noni Madikela. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to talk about Ubaloyi. Haibo, Undanzi exposing Ubaloyi just like that, Kesana, during the people. Wasn't that embarrassing? And I was so mad that the cameraman did not show us Ubaloyi because at that point I wanted to see his face. I honestly wanted to see his bloody face because what the heck? Also, what on earth? Not Undanzi telling us ukuthi yena, when he was in Boksburg, at some point, he spoke to Baloyi. No, actually, it was not even Danzi who started it. It was Ramsipile. Ramsipile, my guy. Ramsipile was making sure, ukuthi, I am fetching you, Wenabra George. I am respectively fetching you, Wenabra George. He fetched Ubaloyi. Kabuhlungu kanjani? It was not even funny, guys. The way he came for Upra George. Oh my word. Nango ke uRamsipile reads a transcript from Boksburg where Undanzi speaks about his reputation and then the magistrate is like, Mr. Baloyi, are you going to assist Mr. Ndanzi? And Mr. Baloyi is like, yes, I will assist. No, he says, indeed, I will assist. Oh, you are not being even accused because indeed is your thing, sir. Indeed is your thing. It's how you speak. Oh my God. uRamsipile exposed him. And then after that, Undanzi again started speaking. This is what I wrote it down. It was quite serious, that situation, guys. I was so shocked. Now, a conflict of interest is what I would call this. Because who advocates Baloyi is a state prosecutor in this case, right here, right now. And he is not operating on neutral position, if you ask me. Listen to what the witness themselves have said. I spoke to Mr. Baloyi. I informed Mr. Baloyi that I was assaulted. He promised to address it. That is not neutral prosecution, guys. That is prior engagement. And a prosecutor cannot receive personal disclosures, promise intervention, then turn around and prosecute the same individual. The moment that happens, fairness dies. And once fairness dies, fairness is gone. It is gone. So everything that follows is contaminated. Why is Baloyi still part of this? Why is Baloyi still part of this after all of that? So this also explains why Ubaloyi never opened the case for Undanzi or assisted Undanzi to open the case. It explains. Do you know what else is weird about this? Now it sums up what Gwabini said, what also Umakosonke said. So these guys are exposing him live during the people. It's been disake though. It's been this guy because akaphumi or akaphumi ekuthetheni icase yona akayeki, even though all of those things are happening right here right now in front of him. Akaphumi uguy ekuthetheni, guys. Akaphumi ekuthetheni. So he was present when Undanzi was trying to speak and was not allowed. And that magistrate in Boksburg was like, hey, if you want to do a media circus there, a media briefing, do it in your own time. That magistrate was so rude, because why that magistrate was not asking himself, why would this man want to speak but there's a lawyer here? He should have heard him out, because it can't be that someone who came with a lawyer will be pressing to speak, but the lawyer is here. Doesn't make sense. All of this is such a shocker. You can't get over the things that happen in that controversial rata all the time. But one thing that I am so proud of is that they managed to expose Ubaloyi. If he has any decency in him, any conscience in him, any value that is left in him, he should sit down and not do cross-examination anymore. Because now we can see why he could not help Ntanzi. He was busy pushing case 636. And if he opened the case for Ntanzi against Umchiako, then that means the entire case was going to stop and not move forward. Oh, Baloyi. Oh, Baloyi. I want to Ratata when he always speaks highly of Baloyi. Then again, if in your name there are accusation of 35 meters, then, well, I don't know, but it's just an accusation and an allegation, not proven. We can't really run with it, but yeah. Okay, it's the same thing. Whoa, my God, it's also the same because now these are allegations against Baloyi. It is a lot, guys. These people, guys, everything is just too much. And everything just happens at once. Everything just happens at once, and you are left wondering, what did I just listen to? But one thing that I must say, I'm so proud of Advocate Ramsipile, how he is so relaxed, how he is doing his cross-examination in peace, and also doing it in piecemeals. And the strategy is flowing nicely. So, my goodness. The strategy is flowing so peacefully, Sanalam. I'm so proud, man. This is not the same Ramsipile we met in 2023. This is not the same Ramsipile who started baby steps in 2024. This is also not the same Ramsipile that was crawling for 2025. Now, the Ramsipile that we have now, Wama Yetwa is a walking child now. This one is like, Wama Yetwa. Tell me, he is so doing well, guys. I am so proud of him. I'm proud. Yeah. I'm just a proud sister. I don't want to even lie. But one thing that I like is that every aspect keeps being thrown out. Every part of the record, Uramsipile deals with it. He deals with it. He dismantles things one by one. And the way he is leading Ntanzi, you can't tell me anything. The way he is leading Ntanzi, leave me alone. I don't know, maybe when you know something that he has missed, please do drop on the comment section. What else do you think that Ramsipile still needs to touch on? That you feel like it's not touched on and he forgot about this? What is it that you think that he can also touch on to tighten all those, there's no loose screws anyway, but to tighten those screws, Jay, that for not for control. Which one that you think that a certain portion Ramsipile forgot? Which one is that? What do you think is something that he forgot and he needs to be reminded? Don't forget to talk about ABCD. What is it? Let's talk in the comment section. I want to hear from you. I want to hear your views. And please do not forget to like, to share, to comment. And most importantly, please make sure you are subscribed on the channel and come back, please, for the analysis of the Senzo Meyiwa case. And there is more where that came from. Thank you so much. I will see you on our next video. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.